Good evening, students. Today we are going to do the solstices and equinoxes. Now, the solstices are of two types, summer solstice and winter solstice, and equinoxes are of two types, spring equinox and the autumn equinox. Summer solstice takes place on 21st of June, winter solstice takes place on 22nd of December, spring equinox takes place on 21st of March, and autumn equinox takes place on 23rd of September. So these are the 4 dates you need to remember, and you need to remember the 2 types of solstices and 2 types of equinoxes. Now, another thing, students, for understanding, you need to know about these 4 positions.
Seasons change because the Earth orbits around the Sun. It takes 1 year.
So the 4 positions that we need to remember are, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we can see this green, red, orange, blue, circular or elliptical line. This is nothing but the orbit of the Earth on which the Earth revolves around the Sun. So in position 1 and position 3, these are the equinox position of Earth, and position 2 and position 4, these are the solstice position of the Earth. Okay, now one more thing, students, you remember, just now I will show you the diagrams of the equinoxes and solstices. Spring equinox. See, students, this is the position where neither the northern hemisphere nor the southern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, and both the hemispheres almost are getting similar equal amount of sun's rays. These are the diagram of the sun's rays. Alright, and now I will show you the picture of
Seasons change.
autumn equinox. See, autumn equinox is also showing us the same picture, same sort of picture, where neither the northern hemisphere nor the southern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, and both the hemispheres are almost receiving equal amount of sun's rays. Okay, so these are the 2 positions, students, equinoxes, spring and autumn equinoxes, wherein both the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, they have got equal length of day and night. This happens twice in a year, one on 21st of March, another on 23rd of September. Okay, because the Earth is not tilted towards neither the northern hemisphere nor the southern hemisphere. Now the solstices. See, summer solstice. See, it happens obviously during the summer season. That is our summer season. That is people, those who are living in northern hemisphere. Why? You see, the Earth is tilting towards the sun. Northern hemisphere is tilting towards the sun, and this is the position where the northern hemisphere is maximum tilted towards the sun, and this is the particular day when the northern hemisphere will experience longer day and shorter night. Similarly, winter is solstice. In winter solstice is the position where the northern hemisphere is maximum away from the sun, or southern hemisphere is tilted maximum towards the sun. So we, the people of northern hemisphere, will experience longest night and the shortest day. So this happens on 22nd of December. After this, our days start increasing in length. Night starts becoming shorter and we move towards the summer season. And in between we will meet the spring solstices. So these are the two solstices and the equinoxes. Okay? So these are the four
Seasons
main
change because the Earth orbits around the sun.
These are the four main thing we need to know. This happens in these 4 points with summer solstice and winter solstice. And in between summer solstice to winter solstice, we have got autumn equinox, when neither the day is longer nor the night is shorter. And here in between winter solstice and the summer solstice, we have got the spring equinox, where again neither the day nor the night is longer or shorter than each other. They are of equal length. Okay, so these 4 dates you need to know, and what are they you need to know. Okay, and you also need to practice image 3.3, equinox and solstices. So that's it for the day, students. Please read solstice and equinox and then solve the questions which I have sent to you. We would discuss the question answers next week. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.